Breaking the chains: how procrastination affects your English learning journey. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that we all struggle with at some point or another: procrastination. We're going to look specifically at how procrastination affects your learning and performance, especially when you're trying to master the English language. So let's get started. Before we look at its effects, let's first understand what procrastination actually is. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks or actions. It's when you know you have something important to do, like studying English grammar or practicing speaking, but instead, you do less important things. It's a barrier that prevents you from achieving your goals in a timely manner. Procrastination has a domino effect. Once you delay one task, it creates a backlog of other tasks, making it even more overwhelming. This results in a vicious cycle of delays, stress, and poor performance. For example, if you procrastinate on learning new vocabulary, you'll find it difficult to understand readings or participate in conversations, which in turn affects your overall language skills. Beyond affecting your skills, procrastination also takes an emotional toll on you. The stress of looming deadlines, guilt of not having done enough, and the pressure of catching up can lead to anxiety or depression. Emotional well-being is crucial for effective learning. When you're stressed, it becomes difficult to focus, absorb new information, or even find the motivation to study. Let's not forget the long-term consequences. When procrastination becomes a habit, it affects not just your immediate goals but also your future opportunities. You might end up with lower grades, missed job opportunities, or even affect your career trajectory. In the context of learning English, this means not being able to communicate effectively, which could limit your ability to succeed in English-speaking environments. The first step to solving any problem is to understand its root cause. Are you procrastinating because the task is too difficult? Are you afraid of failing? Or do you simply find the task uninteresting? Identifying the reason can help you find targeted solutions like breaking down tasks, setting smaller goals, or finding ways to make the learning process more engaging. So there you have it. The effects of procrastination on your learning and performance can be both severe and far-reaching. But remember, understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. So take a moment to think about why you procrastinate and what steps you can take to break the cycle. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope this has given you some insight into how you can improve your English learning journey by tackling procrastination head-on. Until next time, keep learning.